Hello everyone, I am Kat. Welcome to my channel. You have arrived. So for today's video, it is all about curls, and not just the curls on my head, but the line curls. And I'm going to be using some products from their Cashmere and Caviar Curl collection. So if you want to check out today's video, stick around with me and don't go anywhere. And if you do enjoy today's video, be sure to hit the like button. And if you're not already, don't forget to subscribe. So I'm going to go ahead and quickly hop into the shower and cleanse these curls. Now, once I have my nice cleansed, clean, and detangled curls, we're going to go ahead and hop into the Cashmere and Caviar collection. Now, I'm going to go ahead and get my hair halfway up and halfway down, my usual way that I like to apply products to my hair. Now, they do have a hair serum, and so this is what I'm going to use first. It does say that you can use it first or last. I decided to try it out first. Now, it did kind of have like a weird, I don't know, it didn't work through my hair very well. It kind of almost stuck, like it got a little bit stuck and it was kind of difficult to run it through my hair. So that's why I want to try it next time I use it at the end. Now, then secondly, I put the hair silk. So this is the hair silk, and that of course went much smoother through my hair. I could rake it easily, pair hands it through, and of course, you know, scrunched it in a little bit too. And then lastly, the gel. And the gel was really nice. It's a really nice thick consistency of gel. And then same thing, I went ahead and like raked it in and did prayer hands as well and scrunched it in, just like I did the other two products. Now, once I have the product all through my hair, I went ahead and I decided to kind of style my hair a little bit today. So I use a little like raking technique. It's almost kind of like, I feel like shingling, but you do it like, you know, instead of just two fingers at one time in one strand, you kind of get a little bit more clumps in there. So I kind of just take all four of my fingers and rake it through, squeeze really tight, slide my fingers down, and then shake it out. So I continued with this method all around my head, and once that was complete, of course, I continue to the second side. So get all that product through, nice little raking motion, and then of course, once that is done, we move to the top of our heads. So boop, bop, beep, bop, boop. Let's do it. Once all the product has been added and I styled, I'm going to pick up my microfiber towel and just give a quick scrunch to my curls. Now I'm keeping my hands nice and flat and just pressing the curls all the way up to my scalp, just trying to really encourage some volume. Now these are the results after about an hour to an hour and a half of air drying, and I was very impressed with the results so far. They're super shiny, they're nice and defined, so I was really liking how they were looking so far. Then these are the results after diffusing, scrunching out the crunch, a scalp massage. I even picked out my curls some, but I didn't really get a lot of volume, but there's so much shine and definition that I was not mad with my results today. Like, they're more elongated curls. I didn't really get a lot of shrinkage, but I was pretty happy. So let me know in the comments down below if you guys have used the Cashmere and Caviar collection from Curls. I would love to know. So that is it, everyone. All my curl friends and my makeup lovers, I hope to see you guys next week. Take care.